Are you a graphics designer who also struggles to pick up colors from random places and have to resort to shady programs or browser extensions? Well, Microsoft PowerToys has a built-in feature for this. My name is Yadullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can use the color picker in Microsoft PowerToys. Now, the first step is to obviously go ahead and download Microsoft PowerToys. We've already done a video on this, so you'll find the link for that video either in the top corners of this video or in the description below. But essentially what we need to do is first fire up PowerToys, and we need to make sure that the color picker module is enabled. So as you can see, I already have the color picker module enabled, and if I click on it, it will appear with all different sort of options. So you can actually configure this really well. So the first thing is to make sure that it is enabled. The second is that you remember the activation shortcut. Now I use the default shortcut, which is Windows Shift and C, but you can edit it to make it whatever you want so that it's easier for you to run. You can even map it on something like a Stream Deck or to make it comfortable. Then you have activation behavior, which is pick a color and open editor. Now, what does this mean? So if I use this shortcut, as you can see, now my color picker is open, and if I select a color, it's going to open up an editor, which means I can copy the hex, RGB or HSL value. I can go back to editing the color. And this also shows, I think, the last 3 colors that you've picked. So let's quickly, yeah, the last 3-4 colors that you have picked. And you can just copy the value and be on your merry way. You can change this behavior, so you can have it to only picking colors and not opening the editor, or opening the editor and not worried about picking colors in. You can launch the color picker from the editor itself. I like it this way, so it's set to that. Then you have the picker behavior. So what format is the picker going to show you colors in? I've set it to hex because that's what I use. You can have it to RGB, HSL, HSV, just like tons of different options here. Hex is the most popular, that's what I work with. And then you can of course enable all of these formats down here which you want your sort of color picker to work with. I find hex, RGB and HSL more than enough, but if you want a particular color option, by all means go ahead and enable it. You can also add new formats. So there is this whole custom color format window, which you can have it working however you want. I don't need it. And yeah, that's it. That's basically how you can use the color picker in Microsoft PowerToys. Just press the hotkey, make sure that it's enabled, hover your mouse over whatever you want, and you'll have that color selected in no time. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.